Tornado watch number 281 remains in effect and the National Weather Service in Tampa has issued a tornado warning for southern Orange County in central Florida, Polk County in central Florida, western Osceola County in central Florida, northern Hardee County in southwest Florida, effective until 8:30 Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was reported near Winter Haven, or 47 miles southwest of Orlando, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Locations impacted include Lakeland, Orlando Executive Airport, Wauchula, Davenport, Winter Haven, and Bardo. Take cover now. Move into a basement or interior room on the lowest level of a sturdy building. Do not take shelter in mobile homes as it will offer no protection and it will be completely shredded beyond recognition. Ground scouring is possible. Some houses could be swept away.